Hello guys, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to eat Indian sweets with you. Shall we get started? Great. So this is Kheer. This is besan laddoo. Budi laddoo. I forgot a little. And this is besan laddoo. And this is gulab jamun. I already know that. And this is Kheer. I already tell it. And Sivai. Shall we get started? Good. I'll first eat this. Yummy. It's the first time I ever made this video in Southeast Asia. I just planned to make this because I didn't mean, but let's eat. I just drink out some water. So yummy. This my grandmother made. What did you think? I was just planning about it. Too much. Too much again. It's so soft inside, like it's like eating a marshmallow inside, but no marshmallow. It's just soft with agar. The rush. Let's eat. What should I choose next? Yeah, besan laddoo. Okay, I'm gonna eat this one. Gulab jamun is too hard for me. But guys, besan laddoo doesn't have rush. It's hard because it's a laddoo, but it's hard. It's too hard. That's fine. hair is coming out. Let's eat another one because this is too big for me. What should I eat next? Let's eat this. Juicy. It's very sweet, but it's not going to give me sugar rush. Let's eat another one. I'll just have this spoon because I have not two spoons. Just lick it. Now let's eat this. Wow, it has kishmish, my favorite. I always eat kishmish. It's coming out. Let's give it a try. Good. My cheeks are getting smart. Let's eat some basin laddoo. No, not basin laddoo. I don't know the name. Let's just eat. Wait, this is divine in my mouth. Oh, sticky hands. That's it. This is too hard. And we just did one Christmas. Let's take out the cardboard. That means in Bangla. That is, take out the paper. So yummy. Okay, I'll put it down. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe and click the channel button. And don't forget Instagram and Facebook. Bye!